Welcome to M&B Craft. I'm Mario, and today I'm taking you behind the scenes to show you what you can create with a hobby, CNC, some beautiful hardwoods, and a serious passion for crafting custom molds. I chose premium American walnut for the end grain base to really create a sharp, dramatic contrast with the bright tones of the bull and the bold red of the BBQ lettering. This striking design is the work of Titebond, the talented designer behind Woodworking. Once I had the tool paths perfectly dialed in, it was time to let the machine take over. Here, you can see the CNC meticulously carving the intricate details of the bull's head directly into the heart of that walnut base. Now it is time to machine the male plug for the bull. The golden rule in V-carve for this technique is that the inlay design must be completely mirrored, because this piece gets flipped upside down to be glued into the walnut pocket. Carving it in reverse is the only way it will match up and fit perfectly. Next up on the CNC are the crossed cleavers. For both the bullhead and these cleavers, I am using solid maple. The bright, tight grain of the maple is exactly what is needed to make the intricate details pop and create that bold, aggressive contrast against the dark walnut base. Right now, my entire setup, including the WorkBee CNC, is squeezed into my own garage. It is a tight space to work in, but my absolute obsession with this craft and the immense satisfaction I get from seeing a finished piece makes every cramped hour worth it. It is what keeps me going. Hopefully one day, I will be able to move into a proper workshop with plenty of room to completely unleash all my ideas. To complete the inlay design, we have the bold BBQ lettering at the top and the bandana around the bull's neck. For these vibrant accents, I selected solid Purpleheart. This exotic wood naturally possesses a stunning, rich color that provides the perfect final touch, tying the whole piece together and standing out brilliantly against the American walnut. With all the inlay pieces machined, we move on to one of the most critical stages, the glue-up. Because this board is going to see some heavy BBQ action, I rely on Titebond 3. It provides an incredibly strong waterproof bond that is absolutely essential for a durable, food-safe butcher block. I make sure to brush an even layer across every intricate corner of the pocket before carefully setting the maple cleavers in place. Next goes the main bull plug. A few gentle taps with a rubber mallet help seat the maple firmly into the walnut base. Getting that initial snug fit is always a satisfying moment. Finally, the entire board goes into the press. Applying heavy, even pressure is the secret to ensuring all those inlay seams dry perfectly tight and flawless. Functionality is just as important as the design. To ensure this heavy butcher block is easy to pick up, I flipped it over and ran a fluting toolpath to carve out these integrated handles. It leaves a perfectly smooth, ergonomic grip right in the walnut, keeping the outside edges of the board looking seamless and clean. Before we apply the final finish, we need to raise the grain. Wiping the surface with a damp cloth gives us a brilliant sneak peek of how those deep walnut tones and vibrant inlay colors are going to look. More importantly, this moisture forces any loose wood fibers to stand up. Once it dries, I can give the board a final meticulous sanding. This crucial step guarantees the surface will stay flawlessly smooth, even after it is washed in its new home. Now, the board is perfectly prepped for the oil. This is the moment we have all been waiting for, the oil reveal. There is nothing quite like watching the end grain completely transform the second the finish hits the wood. Just look at how those deep chocolate walnut tones instantly come alive, making the bright maple and the vibrant Purpleheart absolutely pop right out of the board. This moment right here is exactly why I love this craft. After applying a few coats of oil and giving the board ample time to soak it in and dry, there is just one final crucial detail left. I am fitting these premium golden aluminum feet to the base. They feature a solid rubber bottom, which is absolutely essential for a heavy-duty butcher block. This ensures the board stays firmly planted on the worktop and won't slip around while it is in use. It is the perfect finishing touch that blends safety, function, and that high-end aesthetic. And here is the finished board. I am absolutely thrilled with how this turned out. The deep American walnut, the bright maple cleavers, and that vibrant Purpleheart all came together to create something truly special. But I have a question for all the pitmasters and chefs out there watching. If this was sitting on your kitchen counter right now, what is the very first thing you are carving on it? A massive brisket or a rack of ribs? Let me know down in the comments.